This lesson is describe all solutions of ax equals 0 in parametric vector form, where A is row equivalent to a given matrix. So this is our A. We're going to rewrite it over here as is. Put the 0 in on the last part. Where did this 0 come from? Because it came from this equation, ax equals 0. So this is our A. So this is our A. 0 came from this equation here. Our job is to find this x right here. That is our objective. Okay, so this is A. This is A. This is 0. 0 came from here. Our objective is to find this x right here. Okay, so you can see that this is a 1, this is a 0, this is a 1, so leave it as is. One more time, this is a 1, this is a 0, this is a 1, so leave this as is. We need this -2 to become a 0. Okay, one more time. This is a 1, this is a 0, this is a 1, so we leave it as is. We need this right here to become a 0. So opposite of -2 would be +2, okay? Again, we need this -2 to become a 0. So opposite of -2 would be +2. So 2 times row 2 plus row 1, okay? So 2 times 1 is 2, subtract 2, 0. 2 times 2 gives me 4. 4 subtract 9 gives me -5. 2 times -6, which is -12. -12 plus 5, -7. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is also 0. Okay, so now we are done because this is a 0, 1, 0, 1. This is a 1, 0, 0, 1, then we are done. If you see this right here as 1, 0, 0, 1, we are completely done solving. Now we just need to write the answer in x, okay? So this is variable 1, so variable 1 minus 5 variable 3 minus 7 variable 4. We do not have anything for variable 2, so we leave it alone. So this is variable 1 minus 5 variable 3 minus 7 variable 4 equals 0. Now solve for the first variable. Bring the 5 and the 7 over. So -5 become +5. -7 become +7. Okay, so just bring the -5 over, become +5. Bring the -7 over, become +7. Okay, next we need to do the second variable, which is here. So second variable right here, plus 2 third variable minus 6 fourth variable equals 0. Okay, so second variable plus 2 third variable minus 6 fourth variable equals 0. Bring the 2 and the -6 over to the right side. So I have 2 becomes -2, -6 become +6. Now because this is variable 3, this is variable 4, the variable 3 and the variable 4, it's already taken from variable 2, which I have here. Again, variable 3, variable 4 is already taken from variable 2, which is here. And I have it right here. Variable 3, variable 4 is already taken from variable 2. So therefore, variable 3 and variable 4 will be a free variable. Okay? And we want to write this in the form of x. So x is equal to variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, variable 4. So just write this part here, and then 3, 4 here. Okay. Next, we want to separate all the 3's, variable 3, and separate all the variable 4 to its own. Okay. So here's variable 3, variable 3, variable 3. And there's nothing here for variable 3, so 0. variable 4, but here there's nothing for variable 4, so that's where the 0 come from, and x4. Okay, and then finally we want to separate all of the variable to itself, so we end up with this right here, x3. Write it outside. We just want the coefficient only, so 5, -2 right here, because there's something here, so 1, but there's nothing here, we'll just say 0. Same thing for over here, which is 4, variable 4, variable 4, variable 4, so by itself, so 7, 6, which is here, there's nothing here, so 0. This right here is a 1. Okay, so this is the answer that is looking for when we are doing ax equals 0. So this is my a, this is my a, this is my 0. We want to know the x parametric vector in this form. Okay, so again, this is my a, this right here is my a, this is my 0 right here. We are looking for this x right here in parametric form. So this right here is our solution. This is the x that we are looking for to this equation here. Okay, so again, this is our a, this is our 0, okay, a, which is here, 0, which is here. We are looking for this x right here, which is this answer, okay, which is this right here. So this is the solution, okay, to ax 0, okay.